Hi, this is Spenta, and today I'd like to discuss cyberbullying with you. As many of you know, on your cellular device, tablets, computers, this tech-savvy world, right? So easily anyone can be a victim. I know by myself, I cannot help by myself, but I know with the support of you, many of you, we can put a stop into cyberbullying. If not eliminate it all by itself, we can at least minimize cyberbullying. So thank you for supporting my cause. I am running a campaign right now, and my campaign is an anti-cyberbullying campaign. I have decided to pick sports recreation as my cause and my category. I have posted some videos in that playlist, and many of you have supported it, and I'm so thankful that you have supported my cause. If you are looking forward to seeing more athletic activities from me, hit me up and let me know. Leave a comment under this and let me know what you'd like to see, and if I'm capable of doing so, I will definitely deliver. Also, if you'd like to donate for the cause, you can always hit the join button, hit the PayPal button, hit the Cash App button, or you can come to my live streams on Tuesdays and Saturdays and hit the super sticker or super chats option. You can also become a live member. Do know that 50% of the proceeds will go towards the homeless community, as that is another cause that I care about. As you know, with COVID rising and COVID happening, the homeless community and the number of the homeless has exponentially risen. So I will take 50% of the proceeds of my campaign and I will donate it, contribute it to the homeless. Thank you for your support, and thank you for helping me stop cyberbullying. Have a beautiful day. I plan to run 2 miles today in honor of my campaign and for my cause. Wish me luck. Here is where I'm fixing to run. Right behind me. I have a long ways. Have a beautiful day, and thanks for your support.